Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of pool maintenance with an exciting product, the Beatbot Sora 70 Pool Vacuum Robot. We found this innovative cleaning solution online and have added a link in the description below so you can check the latest price and availability. The Beatbot Sora 70 is a powerful robotic vacuum designed specifically for cleaning both above-ground and in-ground pools. With an impressive cleaning capacity and advanced features, it promises to make pool maintenance easier and more efficient. But what exactly sets it apart from other pool vacuums on the market? Let's explore its key features. First and foremost, the Sora 70 offers full pool coverage, ensuring that every inch of your pool is cleaned, including the water surface, waterline, floor, and even walls. It can effectively clean in shallow water zones as low as 8 inches, making it ideal for various pool types and depths. One standout feature is its advanced JetPulse system, which utilizes dual water jets to create 4 powerful water flows. This technology guides leaves and other debris directly to the suction inlet, allowing for a more thorough and efficient clean. If you've ever struggled with surface debris floating in your pool, this feature could be a game changer. Another impressive aspect of the Sora 70 is its ability to clean large pools in a single session. With a high-capacity 10,000 mAh battery, it delivers up to 5 hours of continuous cleaning, covering an area of up to 3,200 square feet per charge. This means less downtime and fewer interruptions to your pool maintenance routine. When it comes to suction power, the Sora 70 doesn't disappoint. Its hydrobalance structure provides an outstanding 6,800 gallons per hour of suction capability, enabling it to capture heavy debris in just one pass without clogging. This powerful suction is complemented by a large 6-liter debris capacity, meaning you'll have to empty it less frequently, allowing for more time enjoying your pool and less time on maintenance. The Sora 70 also boasts 5 cleaning modes, making it versatile for various cleaning needs. Whether you require a quick touch-up or a deep clean, this robot has you covered. The intelligent floor cleaning feature utilizes optimized S-shaped paths, ensuring efficient coverage, minimizing missed spots, and maximizing cleaning effectiveness. For tech enthusiasts, the Sora 70 comes with app control and dual connectivity options. You can select cleaning modes, monitor the cleaning process, and even control the vacuum remotely while lounging by the pool. With Bluetooth connectivity offering a stable range of up to 20 meters, you'll have full control at your fingertips. Finally, the Sora 70 is backed by a robust 3-year protection plan, providing peace of mind for your investment. It has undergone rigorous testing and holds 15 global certifications, ensuring it is built to last and withstand the rigors of regular use. So, who is this product suitable for? The Beatbot Sora 70 is perfect for pool owners who want to simplify their cleaning routine without compromising on quality. Whether you have a large in-ground pool or a smaller above-ground setup, this robotic vacuum is designed to meet your needs. It's an excellent choice for busy individuals or families who want to enjoy a clean pool without spending hours maintaining it. In practical use cases, the Sora 70 shines during weekends when you want your pool ready for guests, or after a storm when debris can accumulate. It's also a fantastic tool for anyone who prefers to spend their time swimming rather than cleaning. Overall, if you're on the hunt for a powerful, efficient, and user-friendly pool vacuum, the Beatbot Sora 70 is certainly worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.